Right, so here I am, just officially on my way out to the bus stop. I'm off to the firework display down at the Forest Recreation Ground with the lads. I'm going to meet Jezza down there and whoever else is coming as well. I'm not sure yet. I haven't really planned it out, but I know I'm going down. And hopefully it's an enjoyable and good night, and hope everyone else manages to get down. Enjoy yourselves, take care, stay safe, and enjoy the fireworks display. Peace. I'm going live. Oh, Facebook Live. I like that.
I love going live, I do. People know what you're up to then.
Yeah.
Your video is now live. We're building an audience for you. Lovely fireworks, aren't they?
Yeah.
No, I might come down here every year now.
What are you going to?
Yeah. Well, we'll come to that and go and came for law.
Yeah, and I said to him, I goes, if you love me, you'll do it. You'll come down.
Why, it's a thing now then?
No, we're not a thing.
No,
What do you mean by love?
Never been in
What do you mean by if you love me?
Oh, just a little
Brother
joke.
and sister.
No.
Little joke.
Yeah.
Just doing it.
Yeah.
No, that was beautiful, that was.
So look at all these crackers.
Wow.
Hey,
Wow.
every year.
It's always something weed around here.
I can smell it.
Can you smell that weed?
Yeah. You can't smell it. Jesus.
Did you smell that?
I can smell the
I
fireworks.
can smoke it sometimes, you know. Can't get off it.
I can smell it from a mile away.
Can't get off it. Let's smoke it every day no more. I ain't smoking on the plane. Waste of money, man. Laura, go live on Facebook.
How do you do that?
Go live. Go on Facebook
Yeah.
and click live and do a live video.
Yeah, how you doing?
Probably blow a phone can't go and go live. You should have live here, innit? Innit?
Yeah.
What? Should have live here, innit?
Yeah.
Live.
I was just checking it. I haven't even got it. You haven't updated it right. Okay, it's on the new update.
I'm live now.
Yeah?
I think.
No, you're just recording.
Yeah, but it's like on Facebook.
Is it on Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh, that's alright. Yes, you know. You could just stand there and watch these all night.
that one. Oh yeah, that was bang. That was beautiful. I love that one. Yeah. After that is, man.
You walking?
Yeah, going.
That's after that. Where's the water?
I'm actually breathing today. Sit.
Good man. Good for the forest, man.
Put your hands in the air, put your hands in the air if you want to go faster.
Show is about to begin.
Toe drop, please.
Oh yeah. Hang on a moment. Right, it's that way. Look, there's the dragon.
Dragon?
Yeah, man.
I'm not dragging no one mate around here. I'm not dragging me around. What are you on about? Fucking dragging I-50. Fuck me. Oh, right at the bottom of them. I'm gonna be a toy, innit?
Every goose fair, mate. Every.
Is that it? Is that the vibes?
Yeah.
I want to see the thing on me.
The atmosphere.
Danger!
Okay.
I'll bomb it.
Turn it up.
Got me to get some detonators. I'll get some detonators. Right up.
Look at that. That's danger. Look, it goes all the way round.
Fuck that. That is mad. It's a danger on it, you know. What? Danger on it.
Yeah, I know, because it is danger.
Wow, that was incredible.
Yeah,
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us on Atmosphere. Please come back soon.
I want her jumper. One day. When That's more faster than the fucking goose fit. I mean, the skeggy one, mate.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, didn't go that fast on the skeggy one, mate. That's right to do them people on there, mate. Extremists. I'm going to talk that guy up in a minute on that fucking car, mate. You got terrorists in. Are you English or not? Because if you're not English, get out of my fucking centre and get out of my fucking city and fuck off. Like, people from Radford. Radification. Terrorists. Ice and green, down here. Ice and green. What do you get down here? English people or Pakistan? There you go, look! There you go, man. You should not be in my fucking city. I'm really fed up with it.
Tell the government.
I'll blow the government. Tell the government, I'll blow them up. Tell them. I'll nick all the money then blow them up, mate. Fuck off. I feel like blowing up the whole world, mate. The whole world is against me. That Jeremy Kyle, I hate it. I need to read that.
Thank you for riding with us today. Push your safety bars right to the top. Extend your wide inside of the ride. Back to the extreme, down to the extreme.
Tell them what to do.
Of course you can.
Better stop saying that before I go over it. Undo the seat, yeah? In the passenger seat, undo them.
Extreme machine.
Let the bag go round where you're on it, without being locked in, yeah? Then you'll see who moves the leg over.
Wow, that was extreme. Okay, next one, let's move in. Take your seats. Let's go. Next one, let's move in. Let's go, let's go. Move round to the front, all the way to the front. Next riders, take your seats, let's go. Okay, take it up to the top, let's go. Reese. Come on, let's get moving. Hey, this is only the beginning. Okay, riders, let's turn it up. We're gonna do this one more time.
This guy's got it. That's the other one.
That's it. Come on, we'll get empty seats on this one now if you'd like to ride.
Right, mate. You can't far away, mate. You will.
17.
Okay, riders, wait till the right stops. See to the right when it stops. Exit down the side of the ride. Let's go around.
Yes, you get a 5. You get a 5 to go with it, you can make 21. I'm coming now on 21 black jackets, the name of the game. Who's going to be our next lucky winner? I'm in.
If you're rehearsing, stand still in the one, I like still rehearsal focus.
Wait.
going. Okay, runners. We're gonna do this one more time. Turn up the power. Okay, take it up, let's go. Okay, rock your body, let's go. Hey, we're just getting started, baby. Come on, we're gonna take you faster. Wow. Hey, we're not done yet, baby. Yes, we're gonna do this one more time. Backwards. Yes, Extreme Power Machine, rocking your body. The ball sensation. Wow, that was extreme. Get ready for the ride of your life. Yes, up to the top, let's go. Okay, let's go over. Hey, this is only the beginning. Okay, runners, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, let's go, let's go. Wow. Go on, get your tickets now for the next one. Hey, we're not done yet, baby. Yes, yes, one more time. Backwards. Let's go, let's go. Yes, yes, Extreme Power Machine. It's the number one right in town. Wow, that was extreme. Thank you for riding with us today. Please join us again soon. Next one, next ride, jump in, jump on.
Scarrow will win the season title and the Distant Cup. The legend, the runner-up, are taking on
Just officially finished watching the bonfire display. Now, enjoying the rest of the fair.
What's up, people? Yeah, so just got home from the bonfire night fair at the Forest Recreation Ground. Trust me, it was an absolute amazing firework display. I've made a big vlog of it, so check it out. It'll be in this. But yeah, this is just a little ending tutorial. So yes, hope everyone managed to get down and enjoy the firework display and enjoy the fair and enjoy all the rides. I hope you travelled safely, got there safely and got home safely. And now that's over with, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your year. And I hope you all have a great Christmas and New Year as well. So take care and stay safe. Boom.